In this video, I'll show you how to add your YouTube channel link to TikTok. So the first thing that I want to do is press onto the TikTok app to open it up. Then you want to press onto Profile, which you can find in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you see two buttons in front of you. However, the one you want to press onto is Edit Profile. Then you go under the social section, and here you can see that there is an Add YouTube option. So you want to press there, and what it's going to do is open you a new browser tab and ask you to choose a Google account from the ones you have. So you want to make sure to choose the email or the Google account that is connected to the YouTube channel you want to project on your profile. And that's basically it. You can come back to your profile page and refresh the page. If it doesn't appear, then you will have to come back to the edit profile page and delete your Instagram link. And this time, if you refresh the page or close and reopen the app, you will see that your YouTube channel link will be visible on your profile. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.